Hi everyone! Welcome to Paws for English. I am your favorite high-energy mentor, Amber. Today, I'm not just wagging my tail, I'm leading the pack straight to the ocean for a sun-soaked English adventure.
Slow down, Amber. Your enthusiasm is about to vibrate our listeners' headphones right off their heads. Hello, everyone. I am Erin. While Amber provides the energy, I will ensure you actually learn something useful amidst the chaos.
Oh, don't be so serious, Erin. The beach is amazing. Listeners, today we are learning vacation vocabulary. We're throwing those boring textbooks away and jumping into the real world. First word, Erin, tell everyone that word for the place we are going.
That word is destination. A destination isn't just a geographical location. It's the end goal of a journey. For example, today, this golden beach is our destination. It implies a sense of arrival and purpose.
Exactly. Destination. It sounds so fancy. Okay, listen up, everyone. I'm going to tell a story. Pay attention to the travel words inside. For this trip, I was the very first one out the door to embark on our journey. I even had my sunglasses on before the sun was up.
Indeed, you nearly broke the hinges. We packed our suitcases. Amber's was bursting with tennis balls and treats, while I brought only the essentials: high SPF sunscreen, a cool linen towel, and a silk parasol to protect my delicate fur from the UV rays.
Then we arrived at the resort. Wow, the view was absolutely breathtaking. The ocean was so blue, it looked like a giant bowl of water. I wanted to jump straight into the waves, but I remembered Erin told me safety first. I didn't want to be a wet, lost doggy.
Correct. At the beach, besides enjoying the refreshing breeze, you must understand the tide and the currents. The tide determines how much sand you have to run on, and strong currents can pull a reckless pup like you far out to sea. Knowledge is the best life jacket.
That sounds scary. So I only splashed around in the shallow water where I could still touch the sand. Did you catch those words, everyone? Shallow, tide, and currents. Safety is the #1 rule of a vacation. Time for everyone's favorite part. Erin, since you're so elegant and have that I own this place vibe, you be the hotel clerk. I'll be the traveler with the giant suitcase ready to have the time of my life. Ready? Go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Sandy Paws Resort. We pride ourselves on luxury and quiet. Do you have a reservation under a specific name?
I sure do. The name is Super Powered Amber. I want a room with a balcony and a view of every single seagull on the beach. Do you have any doggy biscuits at the front desk?
I see you're booking for a standard room. However, considering your incredible vitality, would you like to upgrade to a suite? It features a massive private lawn and a soundproof ceiling for all your midnight barking.
Upgrade. I love that word. Does it mean I have more room to practice my catching? And can I get a late checkout? I don't want the fun to end at 10 a.m.
Precisely. An upgrade means better quality and more space. Furthermore, our amenities include a heated pool and specialized massage services. We can certainly arrange a late checkout for a VIP such as yourself. Here is your key card.
Hey, Erin. A fan named Louie just left a message asking a great question. He asks, what is the difference between a trip and a journey? I feel like I'm always on a trip and a journey at the same time. Am I right?
Well put, Amber. You are surprisingly philosophical today. Simply speaking, a trip is usually short-term with a clear start and end, like your day trip to the beach. A journey is deeper. It emphasizes the process, the challenges, and the internal change you experience along the way.
I get it. Going to the store for a bone is a trip, but learning English to become a smarter dog who can talk to people all over the world is a great journey. It takes time, practice, and a lot of tail wagging. Right, Erin?
A perfectly perfect summary you're learning. Now, before we conclude, perhaps we should give them something extra. How about a few more beach words, like boardwalk or coastline?
Oh, I love the boardwalk. That's where the ice cream is. And the coastline is where the land meets the sea. It's so long. All right, friends, before we go chase some seagulls, here is your positive idiom of the day. To be a catch.
I assume you're going to talk about catching balls again. You do have a bit of an obsession with yellow fuzzy spheres, don't you?
Well, I am an expert at catching a ball, but in English, if you say someone is a catch, it means they are an amazing person that everyone wants to know or be with, like me and like Aaron. We are both total catches.
Thank you for the compliment, Amber. It's rare for me to agree with you, but in this case, the idiom fits. You are all catches for staying with us and improving your skills.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Paws for English. Remember to visit our community and leave a comment telling us what your next destination is. See you next time. Stay positive. Woohoo!
Keep practicing. Goodbye.